Home security gear can get complicated really fast, and most of us just want something reliable without much hassle. This right here is the eufyCam S4. It packs both a wide 4K view and a zooming tracking lens into one unit, which is great for seeing the bigger picture and the finer details all at once. I'm in a condo, so this setup is a little bit more than I actually need, but you can use these cameras inside, out, on a house, in an apartment, wherever you want. And I'll give you a real world look at what makes this camera impressive and a few things you might want to think about before buying it. So first up, let's talk about the design. So the eufyCam S4 is really not just one camera, but it's multiple cameras in one single unit. On the top, there's a bullet camera, which has a 130-degree 4K wide view. That's wide enough to cover an entire driveway or back garden in a single shot. Below that is a 360-degree pan-tilt zoom camera. The image quality across all the lenses on this camera are 4K, meaning there's enough detail to pick out faces and actually see people up to 9 meters away. And you can also pick out objects clearly up to 15 meters away. One of the things I found really useful was the dual motion detection system. Rather than just having one sensor, it has two, radar and infrared, and it uses those in combination to make way more accurate alerts. And I've noticed that you really rarely get any false alarms, which is extremely useful. Another really nice feature about these cameras is you can actually power them using solar panels rather than just cabling them in or just charging up the batteries. This is super convenient because it can keep the cameras running no matter where you place them, and you don't have to worry about cable management. So this right here is the Solar Plus 2.0 panel, and it allows for sunlight power charging of 5.5 watts built right in, and it just plugs in using a USB-C cable in the back of the camera, and it takes about 1 hour of sunlight to power this camera for the entire day. And that means you never have to worry about cable management and trying to install it and make it look nice and tidy, but then you also don't have to charge it up all the time, so you don't have to climb up there and have the hassle of removing the battery, topping it up and putting it back in again. It will just top up by itself and you don't really have to think about it. Now, something really neat about this camera system is you can bundle different units together and even bundle it with a Homebase station. So eufy make the Homebase S380, which is a little box that handles all the AI processing. Plus it gives you the ability to store files locally, and it allows you to connect up multiple cameras together so they all communicate, and it allows cross-camera tracking as well as full AI recognition. And the eufy S4 has no monthly subscription, so even though you're putting more down up front, the fact that you don't have to constantly pay in order to use the product you have is a massive win for me. And the crazy thing is, in 2025, a lot of other brands, other competitors are charging monthly subscriptions that you just constantly have to pay. And if you don't, then you don't get all the features you need in order to protect and secure your home, which kind of defeats the purpose in owning a security camera in the first place. So I think eufy did a really good job making that decision. So I definitely think it's a worthy investment if you do want things like local storage or to expand your system by buying more units, and you also want no subscription fee and lower cost over time, then it's kind of a no-brainer that you do want to pick up something like this. This camera system includes eufy's Bionic Mind AI, and it's genuinely clever. It learns the faces of people who belong at the property, and it can alert you only when someone new shows up. It also recognizes pets and vehicles, meaning you're not getting pinged every single time like your neighbor's cat walks by. Let's try cool cameras. And the PTZ camera can lock onto one person or even a group and track them all automatically. It even can auto zoom up to 164 meters so you can see more detail and a close-up shot, and then it can go back to the wide view depending on how far away they are or where they're moving. Personally, I think the most important thing when it comes to a security camera is how it does in low light, because a lot of bad scenarios go down when the sun is down, and so you want it to have good low light. And this camera has 4 built-in LED spotlights, 2 on each camera, so night vision isn't just black and white, it's actually in color, and it retains all the details really well, so you can catch people even in the dark. And if you want to deter people and scare them away, you can activate a siren. And this thing goes to 105 decibels. It also has some red and blue lights packed in, which can be triggered to just, scare people off as if the cops are there. And inside of each camera, there is some built-in storage, which is really nice to see. It does support micro SD card expansion up to 256 gigabytes. There's just a card slot on the back. And obviously, if you pair it with the Homebase S380, you can then go ahead and put in a hard drive and expand your storage locally. And it supports up to 16 terabytes, so you can pretty much record 24/7 for weeks without actually worrying about it filling up. In terms of accessing the footage, the app gives you quick access to preview a timeline of events, so you can easily go in, identify faces, or read small details like a license plate straight from your device anywhere in the world with an internet connection. And alongside each video clip is the location, time of the event, as well as names of the faces in the footage, which it can recognize. And you also have live view access through the app, so you can have two-way audio to talk to the person in real time, just like a phone call. A lot of people making the decision of which camera they want to pick up will probably look at different brands. And a lot of people, first of all, go to Ring because Ring make the Spotlight Cam Plus, as well as Ring doorbells and other products. And yes, the Ring is more compact and discreet, but it only gives you a fixed lens at 1080p. Whereas on the S4, you've got the 4K resolution on all lenses, making it way easier to spot crucial details, whether it's a face, a package, or a license plate. And like I mentioned, because all the processing is done locally on the S4, you don't have to pay monthly fees for cloud processing. And it also makes all that footage you capture of your home and your environment, maybe inside, private, which is really important. Whereas to get even video history or facial tracking on the Ring, you have to pay that monthly fee. And if you stop, you don't have access to your history. So if somebody does something, you're not able to go back and watch that footage. So in terms of design, the S4 is definitely larger than your typical outdoor camera, and it is weather sealed, feels pretty solid, and it's definitely built to stay outside year round with no problems. The setup process took around 30 minutes, including pairing it up with the Homebase. And most of that was just finding the right spot and angle to put it in to make sure that I can capture all the things I want to see, as well as get sunlight for the solar panels. So even though it's technically overkill to have all these angles and positions in order to track people, it's nice to have the combination and the overview just in case. And obviously this is going to work great if you have a house. If you put the cameras in your backyard, you can pretty much capture all around your house, wide as well as close up for those people in the distance. And after a few weeks of using it, what stands out is how little you have to think about using it. Like I mentioned, the solar panels keep it running. The AI and the multiple sensors help minimize false alerts. And the fact the app is so easy to use and simple to preview clips just makes it a breeze to use. The only real trade-off is the initial investment and the slightly bulkier size. But if you value privacy and saving in the long term, this is definitely a solid choice. So if you do want to check out the website or purchase one of these cameras, I'll leave an exclusive discount link down below, which will give you 15% off. And that's valid for 2 months from the posting date. Huge thanks to eufy for sending out these cameras and sponsoring today's video. Do let me know your opinion as well as what security system you currently have or what you're thinking of upgrading to in the comments section down below. And I will see you guys in the next one.